Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Said and in this video I'm going to explain what is the cost of becoming a real estate agent. In other words, we will get to know what expenses do you need to make in order to successfully become a real estate agent. So let's quickly move on to our next slide. Great. So over here we're going to learn what cost is it there to become a real estate agent. So the first question that comes up in your mind is, are you ready financially? This means, have you saved enough money to spend and invest in your real estate agent career? So basically you need to have saved roughly around $500 to $600. Now the next question that comes up is, where do you need to spend this money? So it's fairly simple. We all know, as I told you in the previous lesson, that you need to complete a pre-license course to be able to give the state license exam for becoming a real estate agent. Now this pre-license course will cost you around $300. Next, after you have prepared for your exam and completed the classroom hours of the pre-license course, you will be eligible to give the exam. Now, for this exam, you need another $150. Now, after you have successfully completed the test, and bear in mind that if you fail the test for the first time, don't need to be afraid because it's quite common. Most of the people fail to pass the test on the first attempt. And this is why I specified the range $500 to $600 of savings that you need to make in order to start off your real estate agent career. Now the next step after passing the state exam is to get your license from the state. And in order to do this, you will have to give another $100 to the state. And once you get a license, if you watched one of my previous videos, you would know that after getting your license, you need to activate your license. And in order to activate your license, you need to choose a broker and then work under him. This $500 to $600 investment can be very profitable, as you can earn unlimited amount of income after getting your license as a real estate agent. Now, your main goal is to make yourself popular in the real estate business, and you'll start making some good amount of money pretty soon. An average real estate agent earns around $40,000 a year, estimated that he successfully completes only 15 deals in a year. And keep in mind that an agent who works hard and can complete around 6 to 8 deals a month easily, and which is also quite easily possible, and he can make around $100,000 a year. So again, for this you need to work hard and develop a deadly plan and start executing it as soon as possible to become successful as a real estate agent. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned what are the expenses and the cost of starting a real estate agent career. And with this, let's move to our next lesson.